To create a quick and easy crochet heart, you're going to start off by making a magic circle. And then chain 2. Next, you're going to put 3 treble crochets inside the circle. One, 2, 3. And then you're going to put 3 double crochets inside the circle. 1, 2, 3. Next, chain 1 and do another treble crochet inside the middle. Chain 1 again and do 3 double crochets inside the middle. 1, 2, 3. Now do 3 more treble crochets inside the circle. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and do a slip stitch inside the circle. Chain 1, and you're going to cut your yarn. Take your yarn tail that was in the middle and pull it to close the circle. You can pull the yarn through and weave in the ends. And once you do that, there is your quick and easy heart in under 5 minutes.